In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed live spreadsheet from Google Sheets in Google Docs. Start by heading to Google in your browser. At the top right, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. From the menu that opens, choose Sheets to go into Google Sheets. Open the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to bring into your document. Once it's open, highlight the exact range of cells you want to embed. Be precise here. Only the selected range will be linked into your doc. If you add data outside this range later, it won't appear unless you reinsert or expand the selection. With the cells highlighted, right-click to open the context menu, then click Copy. You can also use the keyboard shortcut if you prefer, but right-click works well and keeps this simple. Now switch over to Google Docs and open the document where you want the live table to appear. Place your cursor where you want the table inserted, right-click, and choose Paste. A small prompt will appear, asking how you want to paste the content. Choose Link to Spreadsheet. This option is the key. It creates a live connection between the table in your doc and the original data in Sheets. Then click Paste to insert the linked table into your document. From this point on, the table in your doc reflects the source data in Sheets. To see it in action, go back to your spreadsheet and change a value in the range you linked. Make a simple edit, like updating a number or text in one of the selected cells, and then return to your Google Doc. Click once on the table you inserted. When the table is selected, you'll see an Update button appear near the top right of the table. Click Update, and your doc will immediately refresh to show the latest values from your spreadsheet. If you don't see the button right away, give it a moment or reselect the table. That update action lets you control when changes roll in, which is helpful if you're editing a longer document and want to avoid frequent refreshes. A few quick tips as you use this. Make sure you're signed in to the same Google account for both Sheets and Docs so the link can be created. If your browser blocks paste, allow it when prompted. And remember, formatting generally carries over, but you can still adjust the table style in Docs after it's linked. That's it. Your Google Docs file now displays a live, linked view of your Google Sheets data, and you can keep it up to date with a single click.